So now, assuming that we've changed out our handlebar to something different, I am going to reinstall everything. So that would be my grip, my brake lever, and my shifter, and probably in a reverse order to that. So the things you need to look at is you want to make sure that you're putting stuff on in the right order. So it looks like I'm going to end up with a setup like this. So first thing I'm going to do is turn the handlebar to the left to get some more cable slack to get that shifter. And now, same thing, going to turn the handlebar to the left to get slack for the brake lever. And notice I'm just installing one thing. I'm installing everything at once, and then I'm going to adjust it because I don't want to have to, set these things up again to get them in the positions that are most natural and comfortable for my body. So now I've inserted a bar-in plug. This particular one uses, as you can see, a Phillips head, and it draws that wedge down, which expands the plug. There are some other styles that just snap in or, snap over the end of the handlebar grip. This is my preferred style because it's just light and simple. Not much to break, not many moving parts. And